Hello everyone and welcome back to the cubing channel. For the past few lessons we have learned to solve the white cross, our corners and our edges so that they all match correctly. In this lesson, our goal is to solve the yellow cross. Now the yellow cross is not a very hard thing to do. It's fairly simple. However, there are three cases that we have to take note of to solve this cross. So just getting right into it. One of the first three cases that you'll see before solving the cross. As you can see, this isn't a cross. A cross would be four yellow edges surrounding the yellow center. Obviously, this isn't a yellow cross. Now, you'll encounter three cases before solving your yellow cross. The first being this right angle. Now, one thing to take note of, this is very important, is that you should never look at your corner pieces before solving your yellow cross. So, since my yellow cross isn't solved, I don't even want to pay attention to these yellow corner pieces. Just pay attention to the center and edge pieces. This would become clear later. So, this is the first case. This is called a right angle, or our L. Why is it a right angle or L? Well, this is a 90-degree angle, and you could also see it as an L. Disregard the yellow corner pieces, remember? And it looks like an L or a right angle. So, this is one of our three cases. So how do we make this into a yellow cross? Well, our first step for this case will be to move it to the top left so that our two surrounding yellow edge pieces are facing the top left. Now, your right angle or yellow L will not always look like mine. Sometimes you'll have a yellow corner piece here, or sometimes one here. But all you need to do is look for the L and disregard the yellow corner pieces. So, I have two yellow edge pieces surrounding the center piece, and they're facing the top left. Now, we perform an algorithm. This would be F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then we're going to do that one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. And then we just reverse F prime. And there is our yellow cross. Let's do that one more time. Here I have an L. Again, disregard the yellow corner piece. I see I have a right angle because there's two yellow edge pieces surrounding the center piece. So where should I move this? The top left. So I'm going to move it over so that the two edge pieces are facing the top left, and the yellow centerpiece is stationary. So now we perform my algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then reverse F prime. There's our cross. Now, this is our second case, the line. This is, again, very simple to recognize. Again, disregard any yellow corner piece and just look for edges. This case, there's clearly no L or right angle. It is a straight line. This case is just a simpler version of our last one. So whenever you see a yellow line, face it horizontally. You don't want it to face like this. This is vertically facing towards me. I want it to face horizontally. It doesn't matter if it's this way horizontally or this way, as long as it's horizontal. Now, I'm going to perform my algorithm. But this time, I'm only going to do my right algorithm once. And let me show you what that means. I'm going to move it so that's F, just the front face, and then the algorithm we used before, R, U, R prime, U prime, but then that's it. I don't do it a second time. And then I reverse F prime. And there's my yellow cross. Let's do that one more time. Again, disregard any yellow corner piece. Now I can fully see that it's just a yellow line. It's not a right angle because there's no edge piece here. If there was an edge piece here, yellow edge piece, then that'd be a right angle, but all I have is a line. So, do I want it to face like this? No, because it's facing vertically. Disregard any corner pieces. I want it to face horizontally, and then I do my algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then reverse, F prime. There's our cross. Our final case is a stationary dot. This is a yellow centerpiece dot. Sometimes you'll have corner pieces on this top face. Remember, you're supposed to disregard yellow corner pieces. If you just see a yellow dot with no line or no right angle, that's okay. Why? Because we can just perform our algorithm once again. So I'm just gonna, it can be anywhere this time. It's just a yellow dot. We don't have to position anything. Doesn't have to be the horizontal, doesn't have to face the top left. We're just gonna do our algorithm anywhere. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now, take a moment to see what you can do here. I'm gonna close off the yellow corner pieces. Remember, supposed to disregard those. What does this look like? An L, or a right angle. So, where should I move it? The top left. Now my edge pieces are facing the top left, and I can perform my algorithm that we did for our first example. So, that would be F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then I'm going to do that one more time. Remember, this is just for the L that we do this algorithm twice. R, U, R prime, U prime, reverse, F prime. There's our cross.